How to compress files to zip folder. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily compress your files to zip folder. So in this example I have certain files inside these two folders, and I will simply hit copy this folder inside one particular main folder over here. And to compress these files including this folder, what I will do is just select it randomly. Let me show you that I have these two files inside this files folder, and you can also actually choose select this for file itself and simply right click on it and click on this send to button and click on this compress to actually directly compress the files. But if you want to compress all of the files in a singular folder, then you can simply bring it all up inside one folder and just right click on that particular folder and do this, repeat the process by clicking on the send to and compress zip folder just like this. And just like I have, you can successfully convert any files or folders to zip file. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe channel. See you on the next one.